Hello friends, this is Ravi from Universal Public School, Aurad Shahjahan. Friends, in last session we had discussed about how to make sentences with the help of to be forms. To be forms in present am, is, are, in past was, were, and in future will be. Now this is the basic sentence construction with the help of relations, professions, quality and place. Whenever we give information about these 4 or 5 things, those are called basic sentence construction. Friends, to be forms are used for showing existence in present, in past and in future also. That day we discussed about different structures, because for sentence constructions structures are very important. We'll revise those structures once again, because in last session we discussed only about present. Now in today's session we are going to discuss about past and future also. So let's start while recalling those structures. Friends, in past tense we have two helping verbs. Those are called tense indicators, was and were. In future we have only one tense indicator, that is will be. And in present we have am, is and are. So friends, we made that sentences with the help of some following structures. Let us see the structures. First structure was of STR, second STP, these are 4 structures of basic sentence construction. S stands for subject, T stands for tense indicator, means am, is, are, was, were, will be. These words are called tense indicator. For making these structures very simple and effective, that's why I have called them, or else I have defined them, tense indicators. Why they are called tense indicators? Because they show us tense. How can they show us tense? Let's deal with some examples. Let's start. Rohan is my brother. It is showing existence as well. He is See friends, relation STR, Rohan is my brother, he is doctor, he is kind, he is in Pune. This information is given in present. Is this clear? How can I say that? Because tense indicator I have used is. That's why these sentences are in present. Is this clear? So same, while using these same structures, if we just replace is with other tense indicators, then automatically tense of that sentence it changes. Now let us discuss some more examples of past and future, how to give information about relations, professions, qualities, place in past and in future as well. Along with that, we are going to deal with singular and plural also. Singular plural concept means what? Let's start with that singular plural first. That is very important. See the examples. Rohan is my brother. I am talking about one person. That's why I have used is. He is doctor. I am talking about his profession. He is doctor. I have used this pronoun in place of Rohan. One. He is kind, and place he is in Pune. This was all about one person. But what if I want to give information about more people? That is called plural. Let's discuss with the examples. Friends, I have divided this board into two parts. Here I have written example of singular and I am going to write down example of plural. So let's discuss about singular. That day also, in last session also, we had already discussed. Let's revise it very fast. Neha is my friend. She is actress. She is beautiful and she is in Mumbai. This was information given about relations, professions, qualities and place of one person. That is called singular. Now I am going to give you information about more than one person. That is called plural. For example, see, now let's study these examples. Rohit and Suresh. Subject in this sentence, there are two nouns. Rohit and Suresh, more than one. They are plural, that's why my tense indicator, it is also are. We are talking about present. Rohit and Suresh are my friends. Now in place of Rohit and Suresh, we have to use pronoun about their profession. They are, tense indicator are. They are actor and doctor. Then who is actor? Rohit. Who is doctor? Suresh. Automatically it's very simple. And if their profession is same, then only one we can write down. They are actors. They are doctors. They are engineers. Likewise, it's very simple, friends. Quality. The qualities can be same or they can be different. Same. They are smart and clever. About place, they live at same place. That's why they are in Pune. If their places are different, that time they are in Pune and in Aurangabad. Likewise, we can have it. So exact difference between this singular and plural is what? Here we are talking about only one subject and our tense indicator is. It is used with singular only. Like Neha is, he is, or else she is, etc. But when we talk about plural, subjects are more than one. That's why tense indicator changes. That is are. So this was all about present. How to give information about singular person and more people, about their relations, professions, qualities and place. Friends, now when we give information about past relations, so it may be our landlord, landlady, tenant, friends, classmate, schoolmate, etc. That time we just have to change these tense indicators. Is and are, they indicate present. Same, was and were indicate past. For example, if we change only tense indicators, look at the examples, same examples, I am just changing tense indicators. Means what? I am just changing helping verb. See friends, now these examples I have changed with the help of tense indicator, helping verb, and the tense of the sentence also automatically changed. Neha was my friend. STR in past. How it will be? Neha was my friend. She was actress. She was beautiful. And she was in Mumbai. Same. In place of this are, we have to change this helping verb and it will become were. Isn't it simple? See, Rohit and Suresh were my friends. They were actor and doctor. They were smart and clever. They were in Pune. So what I did, I just changed helping verbs, and for structures we are calling them tense indicators. Is this clear? It's very simple friends. So this was all about how to give information, relation, professions, quality and place in positive sentences. These sentences are called positive sentences. Affirmative sentences also we can call. Now if I want to say negative sentences, or else if I want to write negative sentences, that is also very simple friends. How? I just have to add not after that tense indicator. Take an example. See friends, I have written one example, that is Ritesh is not my tenant. What I have done, I have just added not after is. After that helping verb, if we add not, it becomes negative. So about profession, it's very simple again. He is not dentist. Simple. After is, I have just added not. Quality same. He is not bad. Isn't it simple? Just add not for making it negative. And he is not at home. He is not at home. Simple. And these are all about negatives. Is this clear? Then if we remove this negative, means if we remove this not, it will become positive. How? See, Rohit is my tenant. Is this clear? Remove this, he is dentist. He is bad. He is at home. And if we add not, it becomes negative. Rohit is not my tenant. He is not dentist. He is not bad. He is not at home. Isn't it simple? The same things you can apply in your plurals also. Plural of present, and plural of past also. I will explain through some examples. Friends, I have written examples. Study the examples, very simple examples I have written. Ritesh and Neha are my friends. They are engineer and manager. They are clever and they are in Aurangabad. These are positive sentences. Now for making these positive, I am just adding not after helping verb, after tense indicator. Ritesh and Neha are not my friends. They are not engineer and manager. They are not clever. They are not in Aurangabad. I made it. And how did I make it? By adding not after tense indicator. Isn't it simple? Yes, it is simple, friends. And if we change this are, in place of are, if we use were, it becomes past. How? I will change it. I will make it. It's very simple. You just observe. I made it. If we remove this not, this will be positive. For example, Ritesh and Neha were my friends. Past. They were engineer and manager. They were clever. And they were in Aurangabad. All the sentences are written in past. Why? Because I am using this helping verb, that is were. It indicates the sentences are in past. And if I added not, then it becomes negative. Simple. Ritesh and Neha were not my friends. They were not engineer and manager. They were not clever and they were not in Aurangabad. It's simple, friends. Isn't it simple? So, be careful. What I'm talking to you, be careful when you speak or else when you write sentences. So, when you talk about relations, professions, qualities and places, that time these to be forms, they play very important role, friends. If you use is are or else am is are, then your sentences are formed in present. If you use was and were, your sentences are formed in past. So we have discussed about how to make sentences, positive and negative sentences in present and in past also. Now we will discuss about future. So before dealing with future tense, friends, I would like to tell you, be careful, because whatever our relations are there which are in present, for example, mother, father, brother, sister, these relations we cannot use in future. The meaning changes. So, which relations can be used in future? Classmate, boss, neighbor, landlord, landlady, fiance, bride, bridegroom, parents-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. So all the different relations I will give you in a PDF format. So that PDF format will be sent on WhatsApp group. So you can easily identify which relation should be used in present, past and future. So let's discuss about some examples of future tense. How to give information about relations, professions, quality and place. Let's discuss them. In future we have helping verb, that is will be. So STR. And one more thing, whether you make sentence of singular one person or as more than one person, you have to use will be in future only. Examples. See friends, STR, STP, STQ, STPL of future. Seema will be my tenant. Will be my tenant in future. She will be teacher. Her profession will be teacher. She will be honest. Quality. Future. I am talking about future friends. She will be in Latur. With the help of this tense indicator, I can or else everybody can realize these sentences are used in future tense. Is this clear? While making it plural with the same helping verb without changing it, we can make it. For example, only the names will be more. See friends, now STR becomes Seema and Neha will be my tenant. They will be teacher. They will be honest and they will be in Latur. It's very simple, isn't it? Be careful while making negative sentences of future tense. How? That is also very simple. That not which indicates